Welcome everyone to day 9 of the 14-day breath and meditation challenge. आज नवा दिन है, आप सबका स्वागत है. And if you have been consistently coming for 9 days, do drop a 9 in the comment section, or 8 or 7, whatever number of days you have been, making it to the challenge. Put that number in the comments for your own self, right? अपने ही लिए, अपनी ही सजगता के लिए आपके जितने भी दिन की प्रैक्टिस हो गई है, 7, 8 या 9, वो नंबर ज़रूर कमेंट्स में लिखें ताकि आपको प्रोत्साहन भी मिलता रहे ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ने का. Today we are going to talk a little bit about our brain. How our brain functions. What is the impact of meditation on the brain? In our brain there is a particular portion called the prefrontal cortex. It's in the front of the skull. Okay. Now, as we age, the thickness of this prefrontal cortex, it starts reducing, and this affects our brain function. Why? Because this prefrontal cortex is responsible for our thoughts, our feelings, our behavior, our decision making, and even our focus and concentration. देखिए, हमारे मस्तिष्क का एक हिस्सा है जिसका नाम है प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स, और जैसे जैसे हमारी उम्र बढ़ती है इसकी मोटाई या चौड़ाई कम होने लगती है और इसका असर हमारी मस्तिष्क क्रिया पे पड़ता है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स का काम है हमारी विचार, हमारी भावनाएं, हमारी एकाग्रता, हमारी निर्णय क्षमता, इन सब को नियंत्रित करना. Now, it was found by research that meditation can increase the thickness of this prefrontal cortex. Isn't that amazing? Yeah. Now, what does that mean? A study was done and they found that 50-year-old people who had been meditating regularly for long periods of time had the same thickness of prefrontal cortex gray matter as a 25-year-old. देखिए, ये पाया गया है कि ध्यान करने से, नियमित रूप से ध्यान करने से, ये जो प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स है हमारे, उसका जो चौड़ाई है वो बढ़ने लगती है. बल्कि ये पाया गया कि 50 साल की उम्र के जो लोग थे, नियमित ध्यान कर रहे थे बहुत सालों से, उनका प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स वैसा दिखता था जैसे एक 25 साल के युवा का दिखता है. Now see, for our anti-aging of our skin, we put so many creams and serums and what not we do. But for anti-aging of our brain, the most effective tool is meditation. हम अपनी त्वचा की एंटी एजिंग के लिए तो बहुत कुछ लगाते रहते हैं ऊपर से, है ना, क्रीम, सीरम, ये सब. पर अपने मस्तिष्क की एंटी एजिंग के लिए सबसे बढ़िया चीज़ है ध्यान. तो आज हम वही करेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू डू मेडिटेशन विद गुरुदेव, बट बिफोर दैट लेट अस प्रैक्टिस आवर प्राणायाम्स. All of you who have been feeling little restless in meditation, or you feel like you're not able to settle, please make sure you join us on time and do all the pranayams that we are doing before that. This is very important. Yeah? This will help you a lot for the mind to settle down. अगर आप में से कुछ जन ऐसे हैं जिनको ध्यान में कुछ काफ़ी बेचैनी होती है, या आँखें खोलने का मन करता है, या फिर शरीर में हलचल सी महसूस होती है, तो आप ज़रूर समय पे ज्वाइन करें और जो भी प्राणायाम हम कर रहे हैं वो 100% करें. आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा और बहुत आसानी से आपका मन स्थिरता में आने लगेगा. सो लेट अस बिगिन विद भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम. Take position, loose fists in front of the shoulders, spine is erect, shoulders are relaxed. As we breathe in, we will take our arms up, our fists will open, and we will breathe out forcefully and bring the hands down. Now there are some health conditions listed on the screen. Please follow that. If you have any of those, you can avoid Bhastrika. Instead, you can take long deep breaths. जो स्क्रीन पे लिखा हुआ आ रहा है उनमें से कोई भी स्वास्थ्य की दिक्कत आपको है तो भस्त्रिका ना करें, उसकी जगह लंबी गहरी सांस लें. So let's get ready. Eyes are closed. अब अपनी आंखें बंद कर लें. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and exhale. Together, breathe in, out, 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 and relax. हथेलियाँ खुली हैं आसमान की ओर. Let there be a gentle smile on your face so your face is relaxed. And take position for the second round of Bhastrika. Loose fists in front of the shoulders, हल्की मुट्ठी कंधों के सामने, कोहनियाँ शरीर से लगी हुई. Elbows are close to the body. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and exhale. Together, breathe in, out, 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 and relax, palms open on the lap. Keep your eyes closed. Third and final round, take position. Normal breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and exhale. Empty your lungs. Together, breathe in, out, 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 and relax. Gently you may open your eyes. धीरे से आँखें खोल सकते हैं. So today we are going to learn a variation of the candle blowing. आज हम candle blowing का एक अलग रूप तरीका सीखेंगे. Here we breathe in from the nose, and as we are breathing in, we take the neck back. And now we'll breathe out from the mouth as if we are blowing 8 candles. And in this movement, we will bring the head back to the center. Yeah? So breathing out, 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 out. 7 to 8 times. Yes? Let's start. Let us do it together. Breathe in. Take the head back. नाक से सांस अंदर लें, सिर को पीछे ले जाएं. अब जैसे 7-8 मोमबत्तियां बुझाते हुए आप नीचे आ रहे हैं. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. And relax. You can keep your eyes closed for a few moments. Observe the sensations in the body. शरीर में हो रहे स्पंदन के ऊपर अपना ध्यान दें. And now let us take position for Bhramari Pranayam. Index finger on the cartilage or the lid of the ear. अपनी तर्जनी उंगली को कान की ढकनी पर रखें. भ्रामरी 5 बार अपने आप करेंगे. We will do Bhramari Pranayam 5 times on our own. Breathe in and begin. After you complete your 5 rounds, you may relax. 5 राउंड होने पर विश्राम करें. Take position for Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Left hand in Chin Mudra, thumb and index finger. Tips are touching lightly, the other 3 fingers straighten together. Right hand comes in front, right thumb on the right nostril. Index and middle finger touching lightly in between the eyebrows and ring finger on the left nostril. Breathe in from both. दोनों नासिका से सांस अंदर. Out from left. बाएं से बाहर. In from left. बाएं से अंदर. Out from right. दाहिने से बाहर. In from right. दाहिने से अंदर. Out from left. बाएं से बाहर. In from left and continue. बाएं से अंदर लेते हुए जारी रखें. Make sure your neck is straight. गर्दन सीधी है, इसका ध्यान रखें. After this round, you may relax. ये राउंड समाप्त करके विश्राम करें. Let us sit comfortably and easily, and let us join Gurudev for the meditation.
आराम से बैठे हैं, बहुत गंभीर नहीं, मुस्कुराते हैं. Sit with your spine erect, body relaxed, and a big smile. And just accept all the noises the kids are making, and you are making those noises once upon a time. And dissolve all the forms and names into just one energy. सभी नाम रूप को पिघलने दो, सिर्फ एक चैतन्य शक्ति है, वही सत्य है, बाकी सब कुछ भी सत्य नहीं है. That is the real truth, that only vibrations exist and everything is nothing but vibrations. Mentally dissolve all the names and forms into the ocean of energy that you are in. Let's chant Om to feel that ocean of energy all around and within us. अभी ओंकार का ध्वनि करते हैं. ये जो तरंग है, शक्ति है, ब्रह्म है, जो सब जगह व्याप्त है, अभी है, यही है, उसका नाम ही ओम है. एक गहरी सांस लेते हैं. Oh तरह की परेशानियां, दर्द सब पिघलता हुआ जा रहा है, सब पिघल रहा है और कोई शाश्वत रहने वाला तो है नहीं। Any discomfort, pain, unpleasantness, nothing is going to stay forever. They're all dissolving, disappearing in their own time. Let it happen. Just be patient with all the sensation, pleasant, unpleasant. सहनशीलता के साथ सुखद या असुखद कोई भी संवेदना हो, उनको रहने दें, अपने आप उनको मिटने दें। ना कुछ करना है, ना ही कुछ जानना है, केवल विश्राम। Let all the pleasant or unpleasant sensation dissolve and disappear at their own time. This moment there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Just repose and relax in yourself. Take your attention to the top of the head. सिर के चोटी पर अपना ध्यान ले जाएं। Oh ओम का तरंग शरीर के कण कण को शुद्ध कर चुकी है। शुद्ध वातावरण में शुद्ध शरीर और मन भी शुद्ध हो चुका है। विश्राम करें, हसनमुख होकर के विश्राम करें। शांति शांति। धीरे धीरे शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग हो जाएं। Slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surrounding. और मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते एक और गहरी सांस लीजिए और मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते आंखें खोल सकते हैं। Take a deep breath in with a big smile, and as you breathe out with a smile, you may open your eyes.
Slowly and gradually, whenever you feel like it, you may open your eyes. जब भी आपका मन करे, धीरे धीरे आप अपनी आँखें खोल सकते हैं. Good. Are you feeling good? After the meditation, you can share your experiences in the comments. कैसा लग रहा है आपको ज़रूर comment section में बांटें. देखिए कई बार हमारे साथ ऐसा होता है कि हमें लगता है जैसे कुछ भी आसपास ठीक नहीं है ना. कभी कभी ऐसे फेज़ से हम गुजरते हैं, लगता है हम भी ठीक नहीं हैं, दूसरों में गलतियां दिखती हैं, हर चीज़ गलत सी लगती है. इसका सबसे अच्छा उपाय है कृतज्ञता. जितना हम कृतज्ञ होते हैं उतना ही खुशी अपने आप आने लगती है. तो आज हम क्या करेंगे, आज हम एक लिस्ट बनाएंगे 5 ऐसी चीज़ों की जिनके लिए हम कृतज्ञ हैं अपने जीवन में, और वो कल आप हमारे साथ सेशन में शेयर कर सकते हैं. You know, many times we find ourselves in situations in life where nothing seems right, right? We are filled with negativity. For no reason, we don't feel good about ourselves or about others, and we don't like anything at all, right? The easiest way to snap out of such a feeling is to feel grateful, yeah? Because gratitude is the attitude of happiness. So today, as an exercise, let's do something. Make a list of 5 things in your life that you are grateful for, right? And you can share those 5 things with us tomorrow when you come to this session, in the comment section when you join in. Before the session begins, you know, we always start a few minutes early. That time, do come and share your list of gratitude with everyone. Also, I'd like to remind you, tomorrow 8:30 p.m. we have a bonus session on sleep. So make sure you join in for that, and also invite your friends and family to join in. So let's take some questions if you have any. Yeah, Purna, some temperature changes in the body can happen in the first few weeks of practice. It will normalize on its own.
We have Alka Saxena. She's saying morning में hands में stiffness रहती है और body में energy भी नहीं लगती. What can I do?
देखिए, for you tomorrow session will be very very useful. आपके लिए जो कल का सेशन है वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम सो तो रहे हैं 6 से 8 घंटा, पर उठ के फ्रेश नहीं लग रहा, एनर्जेटिक नहीं लग रहा. इसका मतलब क्या है कि नींद ले तो रहे हैं पर गहराई में नहीं जा रहे, है ना. तो गहरी और अच्छी नींद के लिए क्या करना है, उसके लिए आप कल सेशन ज्वाइन कीजिए. हम ज़रूर आपको बहुत अच्छी टिप्स देंगे. You know, if you are getting up in the morning and not feeling fresh, not feeling energized, this is a sign that of sleep that is not really good quality sleep, right? You may be sleeping for the same number of hours, 6 to 8 hours, but it's not energizing you. So join us tomorrow for the bonus session on sleep, and we'll share many such interesting tips and techniques for you.
Uma is saying feeling good and relaxed, but I cannot concentrate.
That's okay. during meditation anyways you don't need to concentrate, right? We have to get rid of this notion. This has really troubled so many people. This is such a wrong notion about meditation that you have to concentrate. Meditation is opposite of concentration. It is deconcentration. It's relaxation, doing nothing. Yeah, so just relax.
Mini Suzy is saying, I'm asking this daily. Today, please ask my question. In Brahmari, where to put the index finger? Please show it again.
Okay, so we are not putting it inside the ear. No, just from where near the where the cheek ends and just before the ear begins, there is a small like this lid. Place your index finger on top of that. With this, you are opening and closing. Yeah, pressing and releasing like this. I saw one of the questions.
Sasmita is saying, ma'am, I have a query. Will this current video will be available till tomorrow morning, or tomorrow morning there will be a new video?
New video every day. We have a new topic also. If you are joining on time, you know that every day we are talking about one benefit of breathwork and meditation. Like today we spoke about how it affects brain function. Tomorrow we have another such thing waiting for you.
Amay is saying, how can I increase my willpower?
Your willpower, why don't I answer this on the 12th of May? It is one of the key things that we are going to share on that day. So can you wait till 12th? Just 5 more days and I'll share the answer with you.
Divya Singh felt really good and did not want to come out of the meditative state.
Yeah, great Divya.
Garg ji is asking when Gurudev says, Sar ke upar, what does it mean? Dhyan le jaye.
Sar ke upar means just above the head, on top of the head. Just become aware of that space. Right.
Anita is saying, is there any pranayam or anything for puffy face and bloating neck?
Yes, absolutely. You can do Sukshma Vyayam, which we did yesterday and day before yesterday. That will help. Also walking, so this is usually due to, lymph is not circulating well, so little lymphatic drainage is good for this condition. So you can do a couple of simple, let me just tell you 4 or 5 things that you can do. First, you can massage underneath the collarbone with strokes coming out to in. Yeah? This is 5 to 6 times you can do this. Then side of the neck, 5 to 6 times. With light strokes, you can massage this area. Behind the ear to the collarbone. Another thing, then underneath the armpits, you can massage. Right? Around the abdomen, you can massage. These 4-5 things if you do, you will find less puffiness.
So I'm saying, after how many months of abdominal surgery is it okay to do Brastika? Could you please let me know? My friend had a surgery last year.
Last year it should be okay. If they are continuing with, if they are going to the gym, exercising, they have come back to their normal life, then definitely they can do Bhastrika.
Kavya Singh, Namaste. I didn't understand the relevance of doing in and out movement of fingers in the ear during Brahmari.
So Brahmari comes from the word Brahmar, which means the way the sound a bee makes, right? So this the sound, up and down sound that you hear while doing the pranayama is what the sound the bee makes. And this has been found to have very deep benefits when it comes to the mind and to the body. This humming sound increases nitric oxide in our airway, which is really good for better immunity. It also brings a lot of stillness and calmness to the mind. Brahmari can be done in 2-3 different ways. There is another Brahmari where you put all the different fingers. So there are, every pranayam there are 2-3 variations usually. So we are doing a simple one.
Akhila is saying, how can we transform a negative thought to positive?
Don't worry about doing that. We can waste so much time just sitting and battling our thoughts. Instead, practicing pranayam meditation every day, what does it do? It increases our energy. So automatically you will notice the quality of your thoughts becomes better, right? You're not getting stuck with needless, useless worrying, but at the same, you're feeling more creative, more productive, and you're engaged in action rather than sitting and just analyzing. Yeah?
Priya is saying, bonus session की timing please और एक बार repeat कीजिए.
कल रात को 8:30 बजे, Wednesday 8:30 p.m.
Archie is saying, because of periods he was having pain today during meditation.
No worries. Do only as much as you can. Yeah, if it becomes uncomfortable, you just let it be.
Ashima is saying, I lay down unconsciously when meditation is happening. Is that okay?
maybe just be a little bit more aware when meditation is happening. If you are just lying down without your knowledge, that's sleeping off, then you might miss the technique. So.
Amrita is saying, I was doing Brahmari wrong till now. Will it affect my body?
Not at all. No worries.
Shilpi saying, ma'am, can you please tell the name of the pranayam you introduced today?
It's a variation of the candle blowing pranayam. We have been doing one way. This is another variation of the pranayam where we are breathing out 8 times.
Chaudhary ji is saying, ma'am, can you suggest me some asana for my son who is suffering from tonsillitis? He's 10 years old.
No, right now please do not, when it is an inflamed tonsil, pushing it or doing anything over there is not a good idea, right? Follow your doctor's instructions. You can do some pranayams, that might help. Any pranayam is okay. Whatever we have taught so far, it's all safe for children, you can teach. Simmi saying, I feel a little heavy in the chest when I breathe out. Don't push out the breath with too much effort, then you can feel this way. Yeah? Breathe in and out normally. How should you breathe in and out? The way you would smell a delicate flower. Will you smell the flower like this? No, right? How should your breath be? Soft and gentle. Then you will not feel any pressure or anything. You'll feel good, energized. Web is saying, every time I feel numbness in my leg whenever I sit for meditation. Keep your legs stretched out. Few people are saying that they've experienced jerks and body shakes when they meditate. That's totally normal. This is a normal experience in meditation where you feel a slight jerk comes, or maybe you can tilt forward. You don't need to have it, but if it happens, it's normal. What to do in headache for immediate relaxation? Nadi Shodhan Pranayama is very useful. Yeah, sometimes in few minutes people have observed that the headache goes away. So you can try that. Any pranayam for pancreas to get activated and produce insulin? See, you cannot fix one thing with one thing, right? You can't be like, okay, teach me one pranayam that will go to my pancreas and fix. That's not how the body works, right? It's a very complex interconnected system. Your emotions impact your organs, right? Your anger impacts your organs. All the stress that you take mentally, it impacts your organal systems. So these are not separate. Mind and body is not separate. It's all interconnected, right? So we need to take care of it from all aspects. In the physical aspect, what can you do? Better diet, definitely more exercise, right? This brings more regulation in your insulin spikes, right? Third, at the level of the mind, reducing stress is, very dangerous when you have a weak pancreas. So you need to combat stress with daily practice of pranayama and meditation. So all of this together, when you do, you will start to see an effect. But if you're looking for a shortcut, that doesn't work. Yeah, I hope this helps you. Anita is saying during meditation tears are coming. Can you please explain? That's okay. How will you remember meditation step every day with Gurudev used to teach? Don't worry about it. This is right now, we are experiencing Gurudev, meditation with Gurudev, we are experiencing pranayam. All of this is a preparation, for the 12th of May where we are going to learn what is the next step for us. Now we are experiencing, we are seeing what is the benefit. How am I feeling after this? Is it suiting me? Do I feel good after this? And then 12th, we will learn how can I continue? What do I need to do afterwards? How can I make these amazing techniques a part of my daily life? That we'll talk about on 12th. Lata is saying, ma'am, today during meditation, my hands automatically lifted itself. Why did this happen? It's okay, your body can move in different ways during meditation. Just naturally, whatever happens, you be with it. Don't make it happen, but if it's happening naturally, it's fine. Jagruti is saying, should we breathe out while doing Brahmari? While opening and closing ears? I'm not able to hold breath and do candle blowing 8 times. One second. See, for what is Brahmari? You're breathing in through the nose, breathing out, making a humming sound. And while you are making this sound, you are just opening and closing. This is Brahmari, right? Clear? And what is candle blowing? We are breathing in, then 7 to 8 breaths, we are breathing out and coming. That's it, simple as that. You are mixing the two, then you'll get confused. Okay?
Few questions on, are we going to learn Sudarshan Kriya on the last day?
We cannot teach Sudarshan Kriya on YouTube. It is something that is done under the guidance of a teacher. It is a very powerful technique, very effective technique, and on 12th May, we are going to tell you how you can learn it. Yeah? So stay connected till 12th May. Finish the challenge with that victorious feeling. You will be introduced to the next step. Yeah?
Will these breathing exercises in proper manner can activate all our chakras?
Yes, to a large extent.
Someone said, will this breathing exercise? No, that was repeat. How can we have zero expectation from other persons?
How can we have zero expectation? See, this itself is a big expectation on ourselves, right? Why do you want to burden yourself with this expectation? Right? It's okay. Be natural. You know? Some expectation comes, it's okay. What can you do? At that moment, we can do nothing. Just understanding that our expectation is bringing us misery. It's taking away our joy. Right? This much awareness is enough. Automatically, you will find yourself settling down.
Rajeshwari ji is saying the best part for me is I am able to control my mind every day to join these sessions.
Wonderful. Absolutely. You know, this is such a beautiful thing you have shared. Your commitment is your biggest gift to yourself. Right? See, when you are committed to a small repetitive action for your self-growth every day, it's like brick by brick you are building something amazing. Yeah? The biggest mistake people do is that they want to do a lot on 1 or 2 days and then they do nothing. This does not work. So what you are doing, consistently coming every day, keeping the commitment, pat yourself on the back. You're on the right track.
Krishna, Sakshi have common question. How can they see the missed sessions?
Unfortunately, the sessions are not being recorded for posterity. But why look back? You still have 5 more days to go. Just stay connected with us for these 5 days. We have so much more to share with you. Yeah? Stay connected.
Yeah.
While normal breathing, should it be from the lungs or the stomach? Anjuji, don't worry about normally when you are breathing ना कहाँ से हो रहा है इस पे आप ध्यान मत दीजिए, आप ऐसे ही परेशान हो जाएंगे, है ना? We are learning breathing techniques to relax, not to become stressed. So just breathe normally. But as you keep practicing pranayam, you will find that when you are breathing in, you are feeling, you know, your abdomen is expanding, and as you are breathing out, it's relaxing. It just indicates you are breathing more fully. That's it. आज मुझे ओम का पता नहीं चला. कोई बात नहीं सुनीता जी, कभी कभी कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन मिस हो जाता है, कोई बात नहीं. Any knee arthritis yoga? Yes, but Neetu ji, this is not the platform for asanas. We are teaching breathwork and meditation. Do join us for future yoga challenges. Can you suggest something for morning sneezes? I get them for 30 minutes every day. Mitali ji, this could be some allergy, so it's best to consult an Ayurveda doctor. They can help you with some simple herbs that can bring relief. Yeah. So with that, let's bring today's session to a close. Stay connected, keep smiling, and we'll see you for the next session. Namaste.